This is CryptoCake Weekly Update with BitBoy Crypto.
Welcome to CryptoCake Weekly Update. This week, Citibank says Bitcoin to become an international trade instrument. Kevin O'Leary buys Bitcoin and Ethereum. Crypto.com partners with Aston Martin. Stone Ridge Trust seeks to invest in Bitcoin. And PayPal plots its next move into cryptocurrency. In today's biggest story, Citibank has stated in a report discussing the current and potential state of Bitcoin that the cryptocurrency is the North Star of innovation. The report makes numerous claims about Bitcoin's potential for the future. One of the most notable conclusions in the report is that due to an increasing number of businesses accepting Bitcoin, the number one digital asset is cracking the mainstream barrier. The report further states that Bitcoin's core market this time is considerably different from 2017, when Bitcoin was mostly trading as a retail asset, expressing that it's now being embraced by institutions. The report additionally implied that Bitcoin may become the currency of choice for international trade in the coming years due to the cryptocurrency's borderless nature and, of course, lack of foreign exchange exposure. In other news, Shark Tank's Kevin O'Leary has changed his mind about Bitcoin and Ethereum. He has now invested 3% of his portfolio into the leading digital assets. O'Leary once called Bitcoin garbage, but has since claimed to have changed his view, stating he believes that cryptocurrencies are here to stay. O'Leary has also referred to Bitcoin as a digital game, worthless and a useless currency in the past. However, Leary has now said he changed his mind about Bitcoin and thinks it is no longer a fad. Additionally, commenting on Bitcoin's volatility, O'Leary stated, "Given the volatility of cryptocurrencies, the main decision you have to make after you decide to participate in the first place is what percentage of your portfolio that you need to allocate. For me, 5% is the maximum." Shark Tank star isn't the only bullish news happening for crypto right now. Crypto.com is showing that mass adoption is taking place at a quickening rate. Recently, the infamous company responsible for one of the first cryptocurrency debit cards announced that they will be partnering with Aston Martin ahead of its 2021 Formula One car launch. Aston Martin, cognizant Formula One team, announced its global partnership with Crypto.com, stating that they have signed a multi-year deal. Oh, but the Bulls aren't done yet for this week. Perhaps one of the largest institutional investment moves is taking place in the space, opening the door for others to enter. Stone Ridge Mutual Fund filed Form N1A with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or the SEC, last week. The filing, which is expected to go into effect on April 26th, is pertaining to the Stone Ridge Diversified Alternatives Fund, Bitcoin.com reported. The fund seeks to generate total returns from diverse investment strategies that we believe have the potential for attractive returns and are diversifying from stocks and bonds. These strategies include reinsurance, market risk transfer, style premium investing, alternative lending, single-family real estate, healthcare royalties, and Bitcoin. Anthony Scaramucci, a hedge fund manager at Skybridge Capital, who's been bullish on Bitcoin, noted that this investment opens the door to every mutual fund to begin investing into Bitcoin in April. This is a big deal. Stone Ridge filing opens the door for every mutual fund to add Bitcoin if they want to. Finally, our last story of the day has to deal with PayPal. PayPal Holdings, Inc., the parent corporation of the payment giant PayPal, is reportedly in talks to acquire crypto custody startup Curve, which helps companies transfer and store digital currencies. PayPal is reportedly buying Curve, an Israeli crypto custody firm, for $200 million to $500 million. Curve has raised funds from Coinbase Ventures and DGC, as well as integrated with the Compound protocol. Talks are early and could still fall apart, according to Bloomberg. However, CoinDesk reports that Israeli news outlet Calculist reports that Curve was in the process of being sold for between $200 million to $300 million without naming the buyer. While three sources told CoinDesk News that PayPal is in the process of purchasing Curve by saying PayPal is buying Curve for $500 million. Sources from the digital asset custody space told CoinDesk. From where I'm hearing it, I'm pretty sure it's true. PayPal's crypto offering thus far has been limited, failing to give users control over their own private keys. It will be interesting to see what use case the company will leverage with Curve, whether or not users will be able to withdraw cryptocurrencies to their own private wallets off the platform. Thank you for watching CryptoCake Weekly Update. Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell for notifications so you never miss the week's vital crypto news. I'm BitBoy Crypto signing off. See you next week.